moments. Guys, I have one guest with me. See? His name is Teddy. He's a teddy bear, so he's so cute. And say hi to everyone. Hi. And did you see, guys, that in my t-shirt it's written that, hey, what a coincidence, no? Anyway, so guys, today's topic is that we are going to unbox this. What is this, guys? This is a brush pen package and it is from Dom's. And see, guys, it is a brush pen. And guys, I have 3 drawings with me that I will show you later. And that 3 drawings I have drawn myself. So today's topic is unboxing this first and 3 marker challenge. Top video, guys. So let's unbox it. So let's open this up first, and I'm opening it up. Oh my god. Okay, the countdown starts in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, see, guys. This is amazing. See, guys. And it is 14 shades, and it has purple, then blue, then sky blue, green, yellow, orange, red, a rose pink. And this is brown, this is yellow ochre, this is black, this is deep green, and this is teal color, so pretty. And type of color, or you can say pinkish type of skin color. That's pretty cool. So we have some drawings here that I've drawn myself, so I will show you later, guys. I will color my drawings with this brush pen. And guys, I'm so much excited for this, but there is a twist. There's a twist, and that twist is, what is the twist? I am only going to use 3 colors because this is 3 marker challenge, guys, and this is a challenge I have to accept it. And guys, I have to only use 3 colors. It means only 3 colors. That's really weird, but okay, no problems. I can do it. So let's get on to the video, the main part. So guys, I have made this craft, and I'm going to pour this all brush pens in the handmade craft. So I'm pouring it. So guys, I have poured this all markers, or you can say brush pens, in this, you can see, in this handmade craft. So I have poured this already. This is round 1, guys, and in round 1 I've drawn this apple, you can see, guys, and this is my colors. So let's choose it. First I will close my eyes like that, like this, and guys, you can see that what color I'm picking, but I can't see it. So I'm choosing it. This one, I don't know. This one, and this one. Ew! I'm so much unlucky, guys. This is not a... There's no red, and apple is red always. And I got orange, teal color, and green. And there's not even a brown. This is too bad. But one thing is good, that there is green apple. So I will do it. So let's start it. can see. This is so bad with these three colors. These three colors are worst. See guys, I have managed it. Okay, let's go to round 2. So in this round I have this diamond ring. So I have this diamond ring and I'm going to color it with 3 colors. Okay, let's close my eyes. I will mix it because I don't want to cheat. Okay, now I can choose. I'll go with this one, this one, and this one. Oh, it's pretty good colors though. It is sky blue, one blue, and teal. Oh my god, that's pretty good. Okay, I think it's exactly same colors, and blue is perfect for diamond. Okay, so let's go. Let's color it. Round 2 color review. See guys, so I've written a diamond ring. So guys, this is round 3 and this is the last round. Oh dear, came here. Oh dear, came here. Okay, so in round 3, this is the final round, guys. And in round 3, I have this grapes. Okay, so let's do this. Just mix it all and I'll just pick one. This, I don't know. Please be purple or green. And this. Oh my god. So guys, I got green, but these 2 colors are so disgusting. Yellow is okay, but wait, this is yellow ochre. Oh my god, I need the brown. Oh no, I have to draw with this one. Okay guys, I'm pouring it. Let's do it. So guys, round 3, the final round done, and this is the picture review. I've written that tons of grapes. See that? Okay. So guys, I'm showing you the pictures one by one. This is the round 1 picture. And this is the grapes, the round 3 picture. Tons of grapes. And round 2 picture, that is a diamond ring. So guys, if you like this video, smash the like button over there and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and press that bell icon so you will never miss my updates when I will upload a video, and share this video to your friends and family. And guys, if you didn't check my other 2 unboxing video, please check after watching this. So till then, bye bye everybody. Woo!